Compliance and Audit, an in-depth guide. 1. What is compliance? Compliance refers to the process of ensuring that an organization adheres to laws, regulations, standards, and ethical practices that are relevant to its business operations. This could involve following governmental regulations, industry standards, or internal policies. The goal of compliance is to protect the organization from legal issues, financial losses, and reputational damage while ensuring that it operates ethically and responsibly. Key concepts in compliance: regulatory compliance, adherence to laws and regulations set by governmental bodies. Examples include data protection laws like GDPR, financial regulations like SOX, and industry specific regulations like HIPAA in healthcare. Internal compliance, adherence to an organization's internal policies and procedures. These policies may be related to employee conduct, financial reporting, data management, and more. Compliance programs, structured programs within organizations designed to ensure adherence to regulations and internal policies. This often includes training, monitoring, and enforcement mechanisms. Compliance risk, the risk of legal or regulatory sanctions, financial loss, or reputational damage due to failure to comply with laws, regulations, or internal policies. Organizations often assess and manage compliance risk through risk management frameworks. Compliance officer, a dedicated professional responsible for overseeing and managing compliance within an organization. The compliance officer ensures that the company adheres to all applicable laws and regulations. What is audit? Audit is an independent examination of financial statements, processes, systems, or operations of an organization to ensure accuracy, integrity, and compliance with established standards or regulations. Audits can be internal or external and are vital for transparency and accountability in any organization. Key concepts in audit: financial audit, an evaluation of an organization's financial statements to ensure they are accurate and comply with accounting standards, conducted by external auditors or internal audit departments. Internal audit, an independent, objective assurance and consulting activity designed to add value and improve an organization's operations. Focuses on evaluating the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes. External audit, conducted by an independent third party, typically an accounting firm, provides an unbiased opinion on whether the financial statements are free from material misstatement. Compliance audit focuses on whether an organization is adhering to regulatory guidelines or internal policies, often a part of a broader compliance program, and findings can lead to corrective actions. Operational audit evaluates the efficiency and effectiveness of any part of the organization's operations. The goal is to improve operational performance and reduce waste or inefficiencies. IT audit examines the controls and procedures around an organization's IT systems, ensures data integrity, security, and alignment with business goals. 3. Relationship between compliance and audit. Interdependence. Compliance and audit are closely related. Compliance ensures that an organization follows laws and policies, while audits verify that compliance. An audit may uncover areas where compliance is lacking, prompting corrective actions. Continuous improvement. Audits often provide feedback that can lead to improvements in compliance programs. Compliance teams use audit results to refine policies, training, and monitoring processes. Types of compliance and audit. Legal compliance ensures adherence to laws and regulations. Example, ensuring that the organization complies with employment laws. Regulatory compliance, compliance with specific regulations related to the industry. Example, a bank complying with anti-money laundering regulations. Financial compliance focuses on adherence to financial regulations and accurate financial reporting. Example, compliance with the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, SOX, in the US. IT compliance ensures that the organization's IT infrastructure complies with data protection and cybersecurity regulations. Example, compliance with GDPR for data privacy. Environmental compliance ensures adherence to environmental laws and regulations. Example, a manufacturing company following regulations to reduce emissions. Steps in a compliance and audit process. 1. Identify applicable laws and regulations. Determine the laws, regulations, and standards relevant to the organization. 2. Develop policies and procedures. Create internal policies to ensure compliance with these laws and regulations. 3. Implement a compliance program. Establish a program to monitor adherence to policies and regulations. 4. Training and awareness. Train employees on compliance requirements and the importance of adherence. 5. Monitoring and reporting. Regularly monitor compliance and report any issues to management. 6. Take corrective action. Address and rectify any instances of non-compliance. Audit process 1. Planning. Define the scope, objectives, and methodology of the audit. 2. Field work. Collect data, review documents, and interview stakeholders to gather evidence. 3. Evaluation. Analyze the evidence and compare it against standards or regulations. 4. Reporting. Prepare a report summarizing the findings, including any discrepancies or areas for improvement. 5. Follow-up. Ensure that any issues identified during the audit are addressed and resolved. 6. Importance of compliance and audit. Legal protection. Ensures that the organization operates within the bounds of the law, minimizing legal risks. Financial security. Prevents financial misstatements and fraud, ensuring accurate financial reporting. Reputation management. Upholds the organization's reputation by demonstrating accountability and transparency. Operational efficiency. Identifies inefficiencies and risks in processes, leading to improved performance. Risk management. Helps in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could impact the organization. 7. Challenges in compliance and audit. Evolving regulations. Keeping up with constantly changing laws and regulations can be difficult. Global operations. Organizations operating in multiple countries must navigate a complex web of international regulations. Resource constraints. Compliance and audit programs require resources, including skilled personnel, time, and technology. Cultural resistance. Employees may resist compliance initiatives, particularly if they perceive them as burdensome. Technology integration. Ensuring that compliance programs are integrated with modern technology such as automated monitoring systems is crucial. 8. Tools and technologies in compliance and audit. Governance, risk and compliance, GRC software. Tools designed to streamline compliance management, risk assessment, and audit processes. Audit management software helps manage the audit process from planning to reporting, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Data analytics, used in audits to analyze large data sets and identify patterns or anomalies that could indicate non-compliance or fraud. Cybersecurity tools, essential for ensuring IT compliance. These tools help protect data and systems from breaches. Document management systems, ensure that all compliance-related documentation is stored securely and is easily accessible during an audit. 9. Future trends in compliance and audit. Increased automation. Automation in compliance monitoring and auditing is expected to grow, reducing manual tasks and improving accuracy. AI and machine learning. These technologies will play a significant role in predicting compliance risks and identifying potential issues during audits. RegTech. Regulatory technology. RegTech refers to the use of technology to enhance compliance and regulatory processes. Data privacy regulations. As data privacy becomes a more significant concern, compliance with data protection regulations will be increasingly important. Globalization. As organizations expand globally, the complexity of compliance and audit processes will increase, requiring more sophisticated approaches. Conclusion. Compliance and audit are fundamental components of organizational governance. They ensure that an organization operates within legal boundaries, adheres to ethical standards, and maintains transparency in its operations. While compliance focuses on adherence to laws, regulations, and internal policies, audit verifies that compliance and identifies areas for improvement. Together, they contribute to the overall health, sustainability, and reputation of an organization.